Hello, and welcome to another episode of SELCOtv. As you have noticed, SELCO has moved on to a new website now. From our old Confluence website, we have moved on to WordPress. With this came a redesign of the website. After various usability tests, we have decided that we needed to narrow down the information that is available on the website and make it more user-friendly so it appears more transparent. However, this does mean that some information that was previously on the website had to get moved somewhere else where it was still accessible, but not clogging down the website to get in the way of other information. For the most part, this information has included technical specifications on how to do things, troubleshooting various things that came out of the Technology Services section of the old website. We have moved these solutions from the website into the help desk software known as ServiceDesk. Today I'm going to show you how you can access that. Now, to get to the help desk website, you can either type in the address or you can come to the SELCO website and go to the help desk up here, and then we have a link to the website right here. This will take you to the login. Now, this login is the same as your email if you use email through us, or various other services. So the username would be your first initial and last name for most of you, and then your password. Today I'm going to be using a different one than my own because I need to show you how it looks from your perspective. So once I log in, you'll see the ServiceDesk software. This is how it looks like from your end. If you've logged into this before, you probably are familiar with requests. This is where you go to see all of your requests you have out with the help desk right now, anything we're helping you work on and get solved. But the information that we have moved has gone into the Solutions section of the website. As you can see up here in this blue bar, we have Solutions. This contains a lot of typical troubleshooting problems. We have some in here already that were on the website, some other ones that have been around for a while. You see these are from 2008. But this is where you can come to find a lot of simple solutions for uncommon problems, things that we'd like to help out with, but you might not be exactly familiar with how to do it, but this will give you a step-by-step walkthrough on how to do it. Now, if you need to find these solutions, there are two different ways. First, there is a search over here. We can just search something in like Envisionware if you're having trouble with the software. And for example, the first one we have here is how do I find Envisionware? And how do I make a payment in Envisionware? So you can see that the search works fairly well, and it brings that up through a variety of keyword searches. We have 3 results here for this one, and it is showing all solutions. You can also choose to browse by topic. Now, only a few of these are available since we do have such a wide plethora of subjects to look under. It only shows so many of them at a time, so I suggest hitting Show All. This will bring them all up and put it in a nice tree hierarchy for you. We are working on filling out these sections as we go along. We've already created the tree. Not all of them have solutions at the moment, but they will as we go along because we really want to make this the go-to place when you're having tech problems and you think you can handle it on your own. You can go ahead and come in here and find out how to do something. But for example, you can come here and go to the ebooks and see our solutions on ebooks. The first one here is downloaded the wrong ebook format, which is something that you as library staff are able to correct on your own. So we have a solution here for how you can be able to do that. I can go over that in some other episode if someone really wants me to, but for now I'm just going to show you what this looks like. So we click here on the ID, it brings you in, and it gives you a nice little description of this problem, and it should tell you on how to do it. For example, this one says go to the Overdrive Marketplace, and then it shows you step by step on how to do this. They don't all look the same. Some of them actually do have it marked out in a list. I prefer narrative forms, so the ones that I write out. But you will see that in there. And you can see this one was created by me. And you can see the last update date was on December 17th. So it is fairly recent. So you can come in here, and then if you need to send it to someone, you can always hit the forward button. So you can come in here and forward, and I can send it to myself, or I can send it to another staff member if they're the ones who are having the issue, and then just click, and it will send out an email to that person from the help desk saying, okay, here's the solution, just go ahead and do it. Okay, that's what I have for you on solutions. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward, and I look forward to you using them. And if you have any suggestions for anything that needs to be in here, please let us know. You can always email the help desk or contact me personally. Again, this is Tyler Irvin talking. Okay, I look forward to seeing you on another episode of SELCOtv.